guys, it's Tori from MJ Harris and welcome to our Laura Street project. This was once 3 rooms and what we've done is knock through all 3 of those walls to make one large open plan area. So the space is quite cramped and narrow and it just doesn't work functionally for my clients as it is at the moment. We'll also have a large walk-in shower at the end with glass panel, big niche as well at that end with a feature wall and custom joinery through here. In this particular area, we will be removing these doors, covering this wall in, and as you can see, this space is quite small. So we will actually be removing this shower bath situation. As you can see in here, we have removed some walls and replastered. So at this end, we can now get an idea of how big the shower will be. To this side, we will have our vanity. If you look up, you can see the large opening they've created for the big, beautiful new skylight that will be going in. We have this gorgeous walk-in shower, full wall length niche, matte black accessories. We also have this custom joinery made in our warehouse in Thomastown with this stunning stone top, plenty of room both underneath and above with storage and complemented by matte black tapware and this gorgeous black and white sink. So due to the size of the space, we really needed to find a way and be creative with how we fit things in. So we have installed an in-wall towel niche, and the best part is that it's heated. When designing this space, my client wanted to make sure that there was plenty of storage for their linen. So we've placed a large floor-to-ceiling cabinet here that we made in our warehouse, and tucked around the corner nice and neatly is their new loo, again with matte black accessories and a little niche above. In such a small space, it was really imperative for us to include as much natural light as possible. So above me, you'll be able to see an electric skylight we installed for our clients, and it comes with a remote control. I'm really proud of how this space turned out. We managed to squeeze quite a bit into such a small room, and I think my clients are really happy, and so am I. And it comes with a remote control. Oh, you're looking at me? I thought you were going to go up. Did you go up? Did you come back down like this? Like a dinosaur. Do you want me to do it again? Do you need that?